Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset password for user in MySQL Server. So this can be a very common situation when you are working as a DBA. Some user will ask you, hey, you know what, I forgot my password. Can you reset it? So you will be doing it for them. So let's check some users here. So we have a host comma user from MySQL database.user. Okay, so we have different users here. Let's say the test user was the one that ask you, hey, can you reset my password? So I'm going to do system clear here so I can bring the cursor above, and we will say set password for, and then provide the user. So okay, at the rate localhost, and then equal to, and we will provide the password. Okay, so whatever the password, I'm going to call this one my password, and a $123. That's what the password is. Okay, the password is reset for our test user. If I want to go back and take a look, I can and log in and give a try, and let me tell you another one. So let's say this is TB, and then we would like to reset the password for TB as well. So I'm gonna show you another way to do it. So you will say alter user. So in this case, our user is a TB, and at the rate localhost, and identified by password. Okay, so the same way we create user, in this case you're saying alter. Instead of saying create user, you will be saying alter user, username, identify by, and here you will provide the new password that you would like to reset to it. Okay, and that will also do it. Alter user failed for TB. Okay, what happened here? Alter user local. Okay, here we are missing some spellings. Okay, so alter user and TB, sorry, TB at the rate localhost. So I missed L in the localhost last time, and we have identified by password right there. Paste it, and one row is completed. Okay, so you can use two ways. You can set password for and username, and then equal to, new password, or you can use alter user and TB, that's your username here, identified by new password. So I prefer using alter because this is pretty much the same way, like I create the users and I have to say alter, instead of creating a new user. So setting password is also fine. Sometimes you don't remember the syntax, but this altering is always like a create user and alter user. So that's you are very familiar pretty much every day with that. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next video.